I will share with you why it is important to conduct Measurement System Analysis MSA, which consists of GR&R and calibration in this video. This is a very popular topic in quality engineering job interview. This video will build your foundation to understand MSA as a measurement process, the purpose of conducting MSA, and it will help you to answer MSA interview questions with confidence. Without MSA and GR&R, all data collected through inspection or measurement of manufacturing parts will be meaningless. You will not be able to do quality improvement with meaningless data. Do subscribe to this channel to download my 30 years of practical experience of what works and what does not work in quality engineering to help you achieving consistently good quality products. After we know that the manufacturing as a process, where each consists of process input, the work or transformation process, and the output, we should be able to understand that measurement as a process where it also consists of process inputs, the process itself or the work activities or the transformation process, and the output, which is the measurement data. The process inputs of a measurement process consist of an operator that conducts the measurements, the measurement gauge or the judgment, the measurement procedure itself, the parts or the samples for measures, and also the environment that it is measured, such as the lighting condition could be one of them, and the instruments that is used for measuring or the measurement process itself, which consists of could be a measurement gauge or a judgment. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. Or the eye of the operator, or even maybe magnifying glass, and also the measurement data itself, the data that's collected from the process itself. So this is the overview of measurement as a process. Let's go through what are measurement gauge in this slide. It is actually any device that is used to obtain measurements and frequently referred to devices that is used in the manufacturing area or the shop floor, which could include go-no-go gauge like a feeler gauge, the automatic optical inspections, or maybe the temperature, the gauge, and the vernier caliper, and even the eye of the operator is also a type of measurement gauge where it is used to judge whether the parts is it comply or non-comply to a certain specs or certain criteria. We count, we inspect, judge, and evaluate items, and all of these activities are measurements with their own systems, and observe process variations of what you see, the whole process of collecting the data. And when we plot a chart, is actually called and observe process variations, which it could include both the real process variation itself comes from the process inputs of maybe man, machines, methods, materials, and even environment. And also the measurement error itself from the measure process. So it is very important to quantify the accuracy and the precision of the measurement system. How do we calculate the measurement error in our process? The purpose of measurement system studies is actually to isolate the measurement system error, or known as measurement variation, from the whole total variations which we observe from the measurement or the data that we collected. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. To enroll in my course on MSA or Measurement System Analysis, which is also focused on supplier quality management and IR 4.0 at Udemy, an affordable course provider. This course is for quality engineers or supplier quality engineers, where you will learn to plan and conduct GR&R for both variable and attributes data, how to analyze GR&R results, and how to improve the measurement process to achieve the GR&R requirements, to conduct a supplier's audit in the area of measurement system analysis, and to set up GR&R in an Industrial Revolution 4.0 manufacturing environment. There will be 5 templates provided and an Excel format of calculation template where you do not have to go through the confusion of calculating GR&R, and you can just plug in the data and the Excel format will calculate for you. It also comes with an audit checklist for you to use for supplier quality audit in MSA. There is a way to calculate the variation that is associated to the measurement error, and from the calculation, we will need to know whether action can be taken to reduce the measurement error if it is not fulfilling the acceptance criteria before we continue the analysis of the data, as we do not want this component to be part of this or have too much influences on the measurement. That means it should be as small as possible for the measurement variation so that we can see the actual variation clearly. Just imagine that if you have a lot of measurement error in your variations, means that you are seeing errors in the actual errors in the measurement variations rather than the actual process variations. In measurement system analysis, it will help us to answer that do we trust our data, because we are able to isolate the measurement variations from the total variation that we observe, as stated in the last slides. As you know, accurate data is important to make good decisions. And if the variation of the measurement system is too big, we are supposed to improve it to a smaller variations or in the acceptable range. And From here, we can assure our data then will be trustworthy enough to be used to make a decision. I hope you have built a good foundation in understanding MSA, which will help you to decode those complicated GR&R calculations and also able to handle any MSA-related interview questions through this video. I will make another video related to GR&R in the future. Do give me a thumbs up on this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and share this channel, which is created to help you to understand quality engineering in achieving consistent good quality products. Thank you for watching.